BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 93 of season 3. Today's word is necessitate. Necessitate means to make it necessary, to require or to demand, to leave no choice but to do something. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word necessitate. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Necessitate is spelled as necessitate. The word necessitate expresses a situation where something becomes necessary or there is no choice but do it. For example, we can say that the condition of severe drought means shortage of water in some villages necessitated the dispatch of water tankers to those places. That is such a relevant example. Don't you agree? Listen carefully how we can use the word necessitate in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The board for legal entrance examination decided to implement a computer-based examination from the next academic year. This would necessitate that each examination center should have high-speed internet connectivity. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Mr. Nair would often get a severe headache. One day, he fainted in his office and was brought to the hospital. This situation necessitated a full body scan immediately on arrival. Let us understand example number 3 of 8. There are certain criminal activities which span across the international borders. Controlling such crimes is a necessity and needs a clear understanding between the countries involved. Example number 4 of 8. The street leading to the famous Central Park would often witness a traffic jam due to large number of vehicles coming from both sides. This necessitated that this street be declared one-way street. Imagine what all you can learn once you enroll with BM English Speaking Institute. English phrases and idioms, business English, sentence structure, speak English fluently and confidently, effective communication skills, email drafting courses, interview and GD success training. Example number 5 of 8. The government faced a shortfall in tax revenue collection. Hence, this will necessitate a cut in expenditure on infrastructure projects. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. There were several cases of high fever amongst the residents of a locality. It was suspected that this could be due to mosquito bites. Hence, this necessitated a prompt corrective action from the local authorities. Example number 7 of 8. It was observed that the children would engage in playing a particular online game for long hours. The parents raised an alarm that this affected their academic performance. Soon, it became a necessity for the government to ban that game. Isn't it relevant? Let us understand example number 8 of 8. Shankaran was working with a Japanese company. Based on his performance, the company offered him an assignment at their head office in Japan. It necessitated that he learns the Japanese language and hence he immediately enrolled for the classes. Today we learnt the word necessitate, which means to make it necessary, to require or to demand, to leave no choice but to do something. Now quickly frame 3 sentences with necessitate and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 93 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.